Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the previous high-low indicator for MT4 and MT5. This indicator plots previous significant highs and lows on your chart so you can easily see key support and resistance levels. In this video, you will learn what these levels represent, how they appear, and which aspects you can control. The previous high-low indicator is a technical analysis tool that marks previous highs and lows so traders can identify where price has recently turned. It is built around the idea that price often reacts around earlier swing highs and lows, which can act as potential support or resistance areas. By having these levels plotted automatically, the indicator helps you focus on important zones on the chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so now we have it installed, and as you can see, it's quite easy to interpret. On the chart, the indicator plots horizontal levels at previous highs and previous lows, identified by its logic. Each line marks a prior significant turning point, so you can see where price has reversed or paused in the past. As new highs and lows form according to the indicator's rules, the plotted levels updates, showing a current view of relevant support and resistance. As for the settings, the indicator logic is based on locating previous significant highs and lows. So let's take a look at some of the inputs available. As you can see, we can set our previous highs, previous high colors, previous lows color, minimum gradient transparency, show areas, top area color, bottom area color, and all of that. You can also set your time frames. Alright, as for who is for, the previous high-low indicator is intended for traders who want clear, automatically drawn support and resistance levels derived from prior highs and lows. It is a lagging tool because it can only plot levels after price has already moved, and those levels can sometimes be broken, which means false indications are possible. It does not open or manage trades and works best in a trending market with more limited effectiveness in choppy or range-bound conditions. You can download the previous high-low indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This explanation from the Forex Geek is focused on helping you understand how previous highs and lows can frame key levels on your charts. If you like simple structured tools like this, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more platform tutorials.